these many things, we have to define the load combinations. All right, so for that, so before that, just go to design and click on concrete frame design and click on view revise preferences. So here design code IS 456 2000 has already been selected, so we are okay with that. Just click on OK. Now let us define the load combinations. So go to define and click on load combinations over here and click on add default design combos. So for what we are doing, concrete frame design, check it and click on OK. So we got 14 design combinations, right? So as per IS 456 2000, we got 13 load combinations, right? So why we need load combinations? Because so we have defined so many loads in our load patterns, right? Those loads are not applied as single loads, right? So you don't apply only the live load or the dead load, right? So these loads are applied in combination with each other. Okay, so we don't need Unicon 1, but let us keep it. It won't make any trouble. All right, so Unicon 2, if you select it and click on modify show combo, over here you can see that load combination is decon 2. Okay, so combination type is linear add, and over here you can see that with all the dead load and the live load, so scale factor of 1.5 has been used. So it means that this load combination is 1.5 dead load plus live load. Okay, if you want to edit these load combinations, so while adding default design combos, so for example concrete frame design, so you have to check this option, convert to user combinations or editable. Okay, so in that situation you can just edit the scale factor, and also you can edit their name. Okay, so if you go to Unicon 3 and click on modify show combo, so you can see that over here 1.2 scale factor has been used with the earthquake load and the live load and the dead load, right? So this is 1.2 dead load plus live load plus earthquake load, right? Similarly, we get other load combinations, for example 1.2 times dead load plus live load minus earthquake load. So minus earthquake load means the earthquake load in the opposite direction. So we just click on OK over here. So now